This is my late 60s Lakewood Country Aire box fan. It is model number C12. I will show you the tag here. I don't think you can see it very well, but it says model number C12, Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing, Chicago, Illinois. I picked this fan up at a garage sale for $5. It's not in the best condition. It needs a little bit of paint. It is all original though, the original cord, and it is 3-speed. Let me show you the top here. Yeah, it's 3-speed, high, medium, low. It has the original knob, original sticker, original handle, and I'll show you the back. I've never owned a Lakewood box fan before, so this is my first, and I will tell you I am impressed with the quality of air movement on this one. This is a really powerful fan. Like, I mean, this thing would blow papers all over the fucking room. Anyway, it is a oil-based motor. It has the little spout on top there. It has the original blade, original grills. I really like this fan. I might consider trades or possible sale later on, but I really do like this fan. It's kind of sad. I'm thinking about getting rid of it though, because I wanted to get something a little bit newer and modern, but I really like this fan. Anyway, I will turn it on for you. This is high speed. And as you can see, this thing is powerful. Oh man. I mean, it's already making the garage cold. It's quiet though for a little box fan. It's powerful, but it's quiet. Not like the new plastic crap that you see today. Here's medium speed. A little bit softer. And then there's low speed. Not much of a difference between medium and low. And I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to turn it around, and you can hear the startup sound, because it's pretty loud for a startup noise. I haven't even put a drop of oil in it, and it already runs real good, but here it is. But anyway, that is my Lakewood Country Aire C12 box fan. Hope you enjoyed.